1. Reading. Because the more you understand, the more you earn. Knowledge is leverage. 2. Writing. Your thoughts are chaos until you trap them on paper. Write daily, even if it's messy. Clarity is built, one sentence at a time. 3. Working out. Pain is honest. It doesn't lie. It doesn't scroll. It builds discipline, rep by rep. 4. Learning a skill. Editing, coding, design. Every hour you invest compounds into power. Scrolling consumes. Skills create. 5. Meditation. Silence is uncomfortable. That's why most people avoid it. But inside that silence is control. 6. Journaling. You think you know yourself? Write for 10 minutes straight and watch the truth leak out. 7. Walking alone. No music, no phone, just you and your thoughts. That's where real ideas are born. 8. Drawing or creating art. You don't need talent, you need patience. Because creation rewires the brain in ways scrolling never will. 9. Learning an instrument. Slow, frustrating, perfect. Because your brain grows when it struggles. 10. Cold showers. Yes, this counts. Because discipline isn't built in comfort, it's built in resistance. 11. Studying something hard. Not easy, not fun, but necessary. Because your future depends on what you avoid today. 12. Talking to real people. Not likes, not comments, real conversations. Because connection beats validation. 13. Building something. A project, a channel, a business. Something that didn't exist yesterday. That's how you leave a mark. 14. Learning to cook. Sounds simple? It's not. It teaches patience, precision, and control over your life. 15. Doing nothing. Yes, nothing. No stimulation, no distraction. Just sitting and being. Because a calm mind is a dangerous weapon.